capital. Of course, that's what I said. National. We had some celebrity pictures here as well. Abhishek, you want to go to Riyanka? You can.
Oh, do we have the pictures?
Yes. Let's go across to Riyanka, Abhishek.
I believe the pictures will speak for themselves, Niranjan. So, Riyanka, over to you. What's happening there? How much time before the Prime Minister arrives?
Well, the preparations are underway at the BJP national headquarters in New Delhi, and here you can see one by one people are coming in. The Karyakartas are walking in, and this is the SPG clearance that is going on before the Prime Minister comes in, because the security also needs to be maintained. And let's now take you towards the people who have started settling down. There's a huge screen put up on both the sides, and the stage is set for the Prime Minister to come in. It is a celebratory mood indeed in the national capital, with a mega majority of the Mayuti in Maharashtra, and you see the Karyakartas all settled here, all waiting for the Prime Minister to come in and address them and wish, all the celebrations and the joys that are going on as of now. These are the visuals that we are getting to you from the Delhi BJP headquarters, where in fact some leaders also are here. Various spokespersons also of the BJP have come in, and here also a group of women supporters of the BJP have come in. We'll try and speak to a few of them who have come in here in a large number. आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं, महाराष्ट्र में हमने देखा है कि पूर्ण बहुमत मिल रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हम गुजरात के हैं और वो मोदी से मिलने आए हैं। हम हमारे गुजरात के वो मोदी है, हमारे से मिलने आए हैं। सपोर्ट तो हमारी वो तय बाजारी की दुकान की ऑपरेशन है, इसलिए करना है।
These are the supporters who have come in from Gujarat. They are here in there is a win for the BJP in Maharashtra. But the leaders, the people who have come in from Gujarat, they're also here to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We'll go ahead and speak to a few more people here. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मोदी जी का इंतजार हो रहा है महाराष्ट्र में, पूर्ण बहुमत से सरकार बनने को तैयार है।
जी हमारी सरकार बन चुकी है, समझिए पूर्ण बहुमत से जीते हुए हैं। हम लोग खुशी मनाने के लिए मोदी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
So, of course, there are a few people who we try to speak. Also, we'll show you towards the stage where all the preparation are being done before the Prime Minister arrives at around 7 p.m. 2 hours to go. All the security clearances are being made. Look at this, a big plate of mithai that is being put in here, a sweet on which it's clearly written Modi ji, and this has been kept here in order to show what a celebratory situation it's here in the national capital. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मोदी जी का जोरों से इंतजार किया जा रहा है, महाराष्ट्र में पूर्ण बहुमत से सरकार बनने को तैयार है।
ये देखिए, लोगों ने महाराष्ट्र की एक बात क्लियर कर दी है कि देश के अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ राष्ट्रवाद की बात करी जाएगी। जाति में जिस तरीके से हिंदुओं को बांटा गया था, महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने बिल्कुल नकार दिया है। महाराष्ट्र के अंदर मोदी जी ने कहा था, एक रहोगे तो सेफ रहोगे, उस नारे के साथ मोदी जी के खड़े हुई जनता महाराष्ट्र की। महाराष्ट्र में तीसरी बार भाजपा सरकार बनी है। लोगों को अब जाति के नाम पर बांटना छोड़ दो। राहुल गांधी जी, कब तक हिंदू को हिंदू से लड़ाते रहोगे, जाति के नाम पर लड़ाते रहोगे? ये जातिवाद नहीं चलेगा देश में, चलेगा तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ राष्ट्रवाद चलेगा। अब देश के अंदर राष्ट्रवाद की बात करी जाएगी, ना कि जातिवाद की बात करी जाएगी। हरियाणा की जनता ने दिखा दिया उनको कि हरियाणा के अंदर जिस तरह के जातिवाद में बांटा गया था, खत्म कर दिया जातिवाद। सिर्फ और सिर्फ वहां राष्ट्रवाद चला। राष्ट्रवाद, ओनली राष्ट्रवाद।
There you are, of course, seeing the energy within the people here who have come in to see Prime Minister Modi, welcome him, and also listen to his congratulatory address. There are many more people who are coming in from the Mahila Morcha, from the BJYM, also all the other Karyakartas from various walks who are here to see and welcome Prime Minister Modi ahead of this mega win that BJP, the performance that BJP has done along with the alliance partners, the Shiva Sena and the Ajit Pawar NCP in Maharashtra. It has been a very good performance for the NDA in Maharashtra, and this is what it looks like from the national capital.
Yeah, coming back to our studios, Riyanka, we'll stay with those pictures, Riyanka. But I just want to tell you, Abhishek, because you've had some Congress leaning in.
Niranjan, you distracted. I want all the laddu talk.
Laddu talk, exactly. I was going to get to the biryani talk, because our friends here on the left side of the spectrum, left side of the studio, starting with Abdul Razak, came from Bengaluru. He brought biryani with him. He brought biryani to distribute, thinking that they would be winning Maharashtra. I hear that he's already shared the biryani. He's distributed it. He refused to. Huh? No, distributed it. He refused to. It went waste. It went waste. They had booked resorts. Through him, they had booked a few resorts of his friends. Those resorts.
But Niranjan, you see, the pictures from where the pictures were coming from what is called the capital of Laddu and Puri Sabzi. You know, it's as close to Chandni Chowk as you can get.
Yes.
While looking at those pictures, you know.
Yes.
So obviously, the story was about Laddus turned into what? Lemon tart.
look like lemon tart. Look like lemon tart. Prime Minister Modi, breaking news coming in. Prime Minister has also dialed Eknath Shinde, has congratulated him. That's the breaking news update coming in. The Prime Minister spoke to Eknath Shinde, congratulated him on the victory of the Mahayuti in the state. This is a press release that's come out from the Chief Minister's office in Maharashtra. The CMO in Maharashtra saying that the Prime Minister congratulated Eknath Shinde on the big mandate. And the numbers that you're seeing on your screen there, 54 seats for Eknath Shinde